Epcot. Again.
Was this 5?
I think so.
Nice.
Like, besides Magic Kingdom, because obviously Magic Kingdom is always number 1, Epcot is like the second closest one. So we just have to go through bag check, and then we'll see you inside. Online waiting for test tracks. It says it's a 30-minute wait, but it's probably just because of all the people that rushed here. So it'll be fine. We got time. Yeah. We're gonna head to the butterflies, and then Figment maybe. I want to see the dolphins.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yes, thank you.
There you go.
And then World Showcase will probably just open by then, so we'll go to a few stands that we missed, go back to Japan, and then head over for tea at the Grand Floridian.
I'm gonna get me some princess breakfast. Describe. What's this? It's like English breakfast, but it has like...
It's more sweeter.
It's fruity.
Yeah.
I forget what fruits exactly, but it was so good.
Hey, we'll see you on the ride.
car ever. I love it.
Efficiency is 4. Efficiency is 4. This is so sad. All right, we'll see you on the ride.
Why are you doing that?
Displaying power test results.
Yep. You can go.
test track, and it was a really bumpy ride. I think our car that we were in needed refurbishment. Getting hit by the Panthers balancing water. My poor camera. Hold on one second. Now we're heading to Figment. Pay a visit to him, and then Board Showcase might be open by then, so we'll go over there.
Heading to Figment. See you on the ride.
With Figment, you can see things differently. Sure, you can see with your eyes, but imagine what you could see if you used your imagination. Follow the bouncing figment. One spark of light can light your fancy. Your mind sees more than what your eyes see. Your sense of sight can make your fancy fly. There's more to sight than meets the eye.
So we just got off of Figment, and now we're going to the butterflies, which I'm so excited about. I want one to land on me.
Me too.
We are outside Disney Traders.
Beating the heat. We don't have sunscreen.
I'm telling you though, if I was like, I'm gonna bring the sunscreen at the ponchos, it would rain.
Well, ¿por qué no los dos?
You were the one who were like, yeah, let's not.
I know. I thought it was going to be overcast the whole time. And it is pretty cloudy still, but there's blue and the sun sure is strong. And cloud burn is a real thing. So.
They're playing Beauty and the Beast music. Makes me really happy. Alright, we're stopping here again. We're both getting the violet lemonade.
Breezy, cloudy at the Cider House. Natalie is enjoying the cheddar biscuit with salmon tartare, and clearly she is a fan. And Alana and I got the lemon scone, and she's getting corned beef because I described it to her, and she decided that we should get it. So we will tell you how everything is once we are done. Oh, no! Oh, hello. Welcome to Hope's Dailies.
The food, very good here.
We ended up also getting the
Corned beef. And it was very good. There's this, the pear was kind of sweet, so that was a little weird, but it was good.
I didn't mind it. If you have a refined palate,
Oh my
I like
God.
it just fine.
And Natalie got the,
Cheddar biscuit with salmon.
you good. We got the scone. Well, we all had the scone. The scone was good.
Which, if the biscuit wasn't $5, I would totally get another one right now. It was that good.
And Natalie knows her stuff. She doesn't eat for the sake of being full.
So now we're gonna head to France. We're gonna get a thing of macaroons, and then I'm gonna get the Levy and Rose slushy.
Is this yours?
Yes, it is.
Okie dokie.
All right. We got the
I'm gonna go with
macaroons
orange.
I'll do.
in France, and I got the Levy and Rose slushy, and it's very good. Because it's a lemon Maureen who says you can't drink.
Perfectly chewy.
Got the chicken kebabs, and now they got the falafel pocket.
Both look really good.
They give
is
you
a
tiny pieces of,
manageable-
like 2 tiny pieces of chicken and then 1 big piece of chicken. We're in Germany now. Natalie's going to drink maybe some caramel. We're in the Christmas store. I had a
We've
peach.
never been in the stores here.
No, we've never gone into Germany. I had a peach bellini from Italy to help Natalie use her gift card, and it was okay. I think we both don't like sparkling wine. That's probably what it is.
I like peach. I don't like peach bellinis.
Yeah.
Or not that one specifically.
Once I got to the end, it was pretty good because you could taste more of the peach, but
Little sweet face. How much do you want to bet? 80? 90?
I'm gonna go with 50.
94, 99.
Thank
you very much.
You're very welcome. To the TTC, and we'll head to the Grand Floridian that way. We sprinted from Germany. I think we made it in like 5 minutes.
Please stand clear of the door.
How long is your
Por favor, manténganse alejado de las
Like
puertas.
the whole World Showcase, it's 2 miles long, almost 3 miles. So now we're going on the monorail. There's some nice cars, but those are nasty ones.
Please stand clear of the
We
door.
felt some rain, but it
Por
wasn't
favor,
like coming down
manténganse
a lot. A
alejado
lot
de
of
las
people were heading
puertas.
directly into the brunt of it, so it's probably not gonna be too bad.
Yeah.
We're gonna be inside for the next couple hours.
Yeah, so. And we'll see you at the Grand Floridian. So pretty here. We love it. One day.
My big girlfriend. We are in the little shop in the Grand Floridian. We just left Basin. It was raining and now it's sunny outside again. We still have tea, so nothing matters. Look at it. Yeah, we finally found a Mulan pin. So if anyone watching this needs a Mulan pin, go to the Grand Floridian. I will follow you. Follow you to the ends of the earth.
To the end of the line, pal. To the end of the line.
Oh, that's true too.
Do I want?
Because Natalie is Cap and I am
Bucky. She's my Bucky. She is my Bucky.
Lana is Captain Carter and Peggy Carter. My British accent is always so much better than that. Get some baby sunglasses. Lana's back. She made a purchase.
I did.
A keychain and some pens.
Why are these for kids? I want these.
That's what I was saying. If they made them bigger, they would be
I got a
good.
keychain, 2 pens, and then a pen for Natalie.
What is the time?
It is 2:12, so we can just sit in the lobby and chill.
That sounds nice.
Which I think my feet need.
All right. See you guys
No, yeah.
at tea.
We're at tea now. We just ordered. We're all getting the same course stuff.
Yes, we got the Bedfordshire. We both got the super fruity.
And I
Strawberries and cream.
strawberries and cream. I got the jasmine pearls and strawberries and cream. Wow.
Exciting.
Yeah, it's chilly in here. I'm excited for tea.
It looks nice out though. which is
Yeah,
exciting.
I started with the outside. It's now no longer storm clouds, so
Because when we opened the store, it was. Oh, was it? When I had the Dumbo hat on, that's when I noticed because I put it on and I was like,
all right. So we'll see you when our tea is here. We'll let you know how we like it. No,
Go ahead.
we just finished tea. Stop at Hope. It was excellent. Very, very good.
It was lovely.
it was really good.
I have some leftovers.
And a lot of tea.
Yeah.
I drained the tea and I ate a lot. Like, I ate
You
a
ate
ton.
your entire thing.
Yeah, I ate even a lot of top of first film.
Yes. So we will just be getting snacks again tonight.
I don't even know if I can manage that now.
Oh, the band's out, I think.
By the time we finish walking, we're probably going to do something.
I'll be off one ride and I'll be like, give me your pretzels, done.
All right. We'll see you at Magic Kingdom. It started pouring as we got to Magic
We
Kingdom.
got on the monorail. I mean, we were waiting for the monorail, and then the loudest thunderclap happened, and then it started pouring. We get off the monorail, suit up, and starts pouring even harder.
And my
Nothing.
the poncho we bought back in 2015 for her ripped on me. Like it was already a little ripped, but it ripped completely down to like my chest. So I bought a new one, and now it's getting like clear again. But we're
I'll
on.
be back. If anything, we can even Red Splash Mountain tonight. You can wear it.
No, I'm not doing that.
Then Natalie can wear it.
She has her own.
If you want to get some use in.
But we're on It's a Small World. Here is video proof of us going on It's a Small World. Only because Natalie's never been on It's a Small World. So that's the only reason why
It'll
we're.
be one of those things that I'll do one time and never again.
That's what it is. Okay. That's we understand.
Yeah. Oh, my hair.
Yeah, mine
Gotta
too.
get all natural soon.
Oh well. But I'm using my phone because my camera's in the back because I don't have a safe
Yeah.
thingy for it yet. So. All right, we will see you later. We're in Gaston's Tavern. We went on Haunted Mansion. I got the Haunted Mansion comic book, the second edition one, and as we got out, it started pouring again. So we waited a little bit, and now we're in Gaston's Tavern waiting it out, and hopefully it goes away.
I'm snacking on this giant.
Yeah, this
is basically the size of it on the poster, and this is what it came out to be.
And I got LeFou's Brew, which is an all-time favorite of mine. And we'll update you when we're nice and dry.